Hey, this is probably the last video of the pinstriping edition on the Chieftain, Indian Chieftain. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the last two pieces. So those are the lids to the saddlebags. Believe it or not, this was a really difficult job to get those lines on both sides equal spacing and things like that. They're still not absolutely perfect, but they're pretty close, and if somebody wants to point that out, that's fine. That's not really a concern of mine. So someone asked the other day, what's the blue, or the bottle with the blue squirt nozzle? That is pure, as you can see on the my crappy handwriting, but that's pure alcohol. I clean every part before I lay down any kind of stripes or any kind of paint with alcohol. It seems to really get all the dirt, grease, hand oils, that kind of stuff. Sorry for all the junk on the counter. So there's, now I think I've said this in other videos, but the reason why I put the tape on the ends and on the curves is because sometimes the tape will start to kind of pop up a little bit, and then you got to either put it back down before you paint it, or you've got to restripe the whole thing. So hopefully that masking tape, that painter's tape, will keep those fresh pinstripe masking tape pieces down. The corners and the tips seem to come up every once in a while. It all depends on how much I press on the curves and the ends. And so just for safety's sake, in case it's a few days before we actually get to it, I usually put that masking tape down on the tips and on the curves. So that's just another tip. And hey, phase one is done. Phase two is done rather. Phase one was laying down the base coat with the flake. Phase two is throwing all the pinstripe masking tape on. Some of the step threes is already done. Step three is putting the graphics on there and getting the black candy on these lines. And we're gonna fill these gaps in just like on the tops of everything else that we've done. We're gonna put that filigree stencil on there, and then it's time for candy red. So tomorrow, Jason and I, with Sketched Custom Airbrushing in Hot Springs, Arkansas, we're going to lay down the black and the graphics on these lids on the saddlebags that are also freshly striped, and the bottom of the gas tank. After that, probably Wednesday or Thursday, hopefully I'll be able to take some time and get everything candied at least. Probably not cleared, I'll probably just candy everything, and then I'll have a really good idea of what they're going to look like after the candy is all applied. So check back again tomorrow. We'll finish the gas tank, and we'll lay out the black on these lids and on the saddlebags, and those are the last parts that we have to do that to, I believe. And check back soon. Thanks.